In the before video, we already introduced about the selling points and the differences between the two models. And so today, we will introduce you how to maintain the spray gun.
No problem. Maintaining the spray gun is very important when you are using our spray gun. Here, our engineer Freddy will show you how to maintain it.
First, you need to take off the cover of spray gun. Then use a vacuum cleaner to suck out the dust. This is a routine maintenance. If spray gun leaks water, you need to disassemble the gun with tool. Take off the part and use water to clean that part and the gun. After that, you can put the part back on the spray gun.
Find the dial, get your good tool.